Ask away. Unveiling the magic of interrogative adverbs. Hello, language learners. Today we're going to dive into a fascinating aspect of English grammar: interrogative adverbs. These are the essential tools that we use every day when we're asking questions. So let's unravel their mysteries together. Interrogative adverbs are used to ask for specific information or to inquire about the quality, manner, place, frequency, degree, reason, or time of an action. They help us make our questions more detailed, hence more meaningful. The most common interrogative adverbs in English are how, when, where, why, and to what extent. How. The adverb how is employed when we want to ask about the manner in which an action is performed. For example, how do you cook pasta? Or, how does she sing so well? When it comes to time-related inquiries, when is our go-to adverb. For instance, we might ask, when is the party? Or, when will you finish your homework? Where. To figure out the location or place, we turn to the adverb where. Questions like, where is the nearest supermarket? Or, where did you put the keys? Would be typical examples. Why. For questions concerning reasons and causes, we utilize the adverb why. Example, why is the sky blue? Or, why did she leave early? To what extent? Finally, the phrase, to what extent, is used as an interrogative adverb when we want to find out the degree or level of something. This is typically used in more formal or academic contexts. For example, to what extent does climate change affect our daily lives? The general structure when using interrogative adverbs is: 1. Start with the interrogative adverb. 2. Follow it by the auxiliary verb. 3. Then, state the subject and the main verb. For instance, how did you make this cake? Or, why does the sun rise in the east? Remember, the structure may slightly vary depending on the context and the complexity of the sentence. And there you have it, folks. You now have a better understanding of interrogative adverbs, what they are, their common types, and how to use them in sentences. Keep practicing and incorporate these into your everyday conversations. You'll soon find yourself asking questions like a native English speaker. Don't forget, the art of asking questions is an invaluable skill in language learning and life in general. So keep asking, keep learning. Until next time, happy learning.